Starting a garden can be an incredibly rewarding experience, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through the steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose the right location. To set your garden up for success, find a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Make sure there's good air circulation to prevent disease, and avoid areas with standing water or where water tends to collect. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Checking the pH level of your soil is essential, as most vegetables prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Improve the soil structure and fertility by adding organic to remove any debris. To create a mix of annuals and vibrant garden. Additionally, companion planting can optimize growth while reducing pests. Step 4. Start a manageable garden. You can gradually expand your gardens. Step 5. Plan your garden layout. Create a rough sketch of your garden bed. Step 6. Obtain necessary tools will help you and materials. Most of your space. Equip yourself with your basic gardening. Tools like a trowel, seedlings, or transplant materials. You'll also need additional items. Step 7. Plant your garden. Follow the specific planting instructions for each type of planting. Ensure you water thoroughly to help monitor moisture. Consistent water intake necessary, but be careful not to overwater. Now it's time to enjoy the future happy garden and the beautiful fruits of your labor.